Hello, friends! Today I will show you how to make a shadow box frame with paper cardstock. To make it easy for you, I have made the templates, and you can download them for free on my website. There is a SVG file to score and cut with a cutting machine and a PDF file to print and cut by hand. So, let's download and get started. After following the instructions for cutting and scoring, you will get these pieces. I cut all of them on Kraft paper, except for the backside cover I used white paper for that. But both of them are 300 GSM paper, so it's around 110 LEB. You should use at least 250 GSM or 90 LEB cardstock to make the frame rigid enough. Now I will show you how to assemble it. I will start making the edge border. There are two piece types of the edge, but we actually do the same thing for both of them. You just need to mount and fold all the score lines. One important thing to note is that I use a silhouette machine, so when I choose to score the scoring function on the silhouette machine, it will slightly cut the surface of the paper. That's why I can fold the score line straight like this. If the scoring function on your machine works differently, I suggest that you use a paper cutter knife and a ruler to score the line again and slightly cut the surface of the papers. I will continue to fold all the score lines around and put it down like this. Then I will add the glue to this area and fold over this piece like this. I will keep it for a while and put it over there. Then I continue with another piece. You just need to do exactly the same thing for this. For this piece, although the shape is a little bit different, we still do the same thing. I will put a heavy thing on top of them to make sure the glue can stick well and keep going on with the last piece. After that, I will take one piece of each type and join them together. Remember that the side with this part is the front side, and you must join all the pieces correctly. Here you can see there's an empty space between two layers of the miter joint, and you should put the butt joint into it. So I will put some glue on the joining area. I use a long ruler to push the glue tab down to make sure it touches and sticks with the other piece. Then, I will take another piece with the butt joint and glue it to the other side of the edge with the miter joint. Then add glue and join the last edge. And this is what we have from the backside. Now you can glue the acetate sheet cover to the frame or just put it there and then add your layer design. With the cutting machine, you can directly cut the gray piece on the acetate sheet. However, for those who print and cut by hand, you can print it on the paper, then cut out and use it as a reference to cut on the acetate sheet. For the backside, we have to make the fasteners to keep the backside cover in place. It's very easy. You just need to fold and glue these pieces to the four corners of the frames like this. When you finish with the four corners, you can put the backside cover into the fasteners like this. Then you can glue the hanger to the backside, and done. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more free designs. Goodbye and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.